Hey everyone, this is Loic from Pancake-World.com. Thanks again for watching. This is a bonus video, okay? It wasn't planned, but we thought it would be very useful for you guys at home, okay? So we made some French crepes earlier, okay? And today we're gonna make the French buckwheat galette, okay? So this is actually buckwheat flour, which I'm gonna mix with eggs, butter and a bit of salt, okay? So this is essentially used for savory fillings such as chorizo, a bit of cheese, ham, mushrooms, whatever you want, okay? So here I've got simply buckwheat flour in a bowl. This is quite unavailable in the UK, so check out your outlets. I'm not gonna name any, but you know, it's not an easy flour to get, so try to dig around for it, okay? And here I'm gonna put a couple of free-range eggs in there. Oops, they're large eggs, okay? And to that I'm gonna add about 25 milliliters of cooled down butter. So I melted the butter and I let it to rest and to go down to room temperature, okay? And the final ingredient, pinch of salt, about half a teaspoon, if that, okay? Add it to the mix. I'm gonna simply mix it together. So that flour will give you the sort of extra nutty taste, which you found certainly on holidays whilst in France and more specifically in Brittany, okay? So this is a much thicker mix or batter to actually mix. Okay, so I'm gonna slowly add a bit of water to it in order to create this lovely, lovely paste, okay? So from there, I'm gonna add a little more water to it. So same again, not necessarily cold water, like room temperature water is absolutely fine, but certainly not hot. You don't want to cook the ingredients as you mix them together, okay? So be gentle. So this mix, once made in a rehydrated form like that, will actually keep for about 2 days in the fridge. And similar to the crepe mix, it's better when it's actually rested. So what we're gonna do is simply give it a rest, okay? We're gonna cover it up with a bit of cling film and simply wait, I would say about probably 30-40 minutes, so slightly longer than the crepe mix. So I'm gonna cover it up, stick it in the fridge for about 30-40 minutes. So this is it for me, and I'll see you in about 30-40 minutes time. Okay, so we're now back after about 30-40 minutes, as I said, so the mix is now very, very well rested. Okay, so I'm gonna take that off for a second. And I've set up, as you can see, I've set up a cooking station and we're gonna make the galettes, okay? So here I've got a camping stove, but quite obviously you can use your own home stove. This is a very, very flat crepe pan. Any sort of non-stick pan will do the job, okay? And then from there, I'm gonna show you a couple of tricks. And one of those in particular is from my dear mum back in Brittany. And this is a potato, which I sliced in half. Okay, I filled up this ramekin with butter. You can use veg oil, it's not a problem at all. And using this potato, as I said, I'm gonna simply oil or grease the frying pan, okay, as it is, okay? And on the medium to high heat, I'm gonna wait a little for this pan to be pretty hot, okay? And I'm gonna simply scoop the mix out and take it from there. I'm gonna give our mix a little stir. Okay, so you might find buckwheat mix a little more lumpy, a touch lumpier than crepe mix, but this is absolutely normal, okay? I'm gonna simply pour some mix there and I'm gonna just apply a circular movement to make sure that the mix goes round and round and round in circles in order to cover the pan entirely. Okay, very, very good. So if we were back in Brittany right there, I know too well that my mum or dad would add a big lump of butter to this nonetheless very healthy galette. Okay, so using a normal baking spatula or heat-proof spatula, you'll give the pancake a little look, okay? What you want to achieve is to get all those golden edges on the sides, okay? So I'm quite happy with that. You can actually flip it as you would flip a crepe. Shall we try? Okay, let's give it a try. That's it, okay? So, and then only, I'll tell you what, for this occasion only, I'm gonna add a little more butter to it, okay? Give it a little shine, as we say, okay? So here, what you want to do is to cook it, I would say about 45 seconds on the first side and about probably 25-30 seconds on the second side, which allows to simply flip it again and then garnish. So here I've got some Emmental. It's not cheddar, it's actually French Emmental. Gives it a lovely, lovely, lovely nutty taste, okay? And to that I'm gonna add today a couple of slices of chorizo, Spanish chorizo, so it's a very cultural mix, isn't it? Okay, and to that I'm gonna add a slice of ham. Making sure it's not too hot because you don't want to burn the galette. I'm gonna turn it down a little. And here what I want to do is to fold the edges in order to present it nicely and put it on a plate, okay? So there, you could have put an egg on there, you could have, as I said, you could have used mushrooms. Any sort of savoury ingredient would do very, very well. As you can tell, I'm not very, very good at folding, but hey, who cares? A bit of Crepe pepper there will do the trick. Okay, I love Crepe pepper. Okay, and this shot here. And I think this is about it. Look, you got a lovely French galette. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, add a comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe.